You're in a small
Right.
community. How many traumatic events are you seeing as an EMT in a small community?
Actually, quite a bit. When uh, I don't, you probably didn't notice today, but there's a million logging trucks on the roads down here, tons of them,
Hmm.
and you have, the worst roads ever. I don't know which way you came down. I don't know if you came across Plumber,
Yeah.
but, and there's just a lot of car accidents, a lot. But we also had a lot of suicides. We had a lot of that. You have a lot of we had mill injuries where they're cutting arms off. It's just drownings, because we have the lake and the rivers right here. And so there's just, there was a lot of trauma per capita for us per trauma is probably higher than the big city because they have more people and more, more moving and
Yeah.
whatever. But for here, it was amazing as to how much we had, a lot.
How did that affect you? Did it desensitize you or?
Um, I think that it's hard to not say like intrigue me, like what the body can do, what the
Yeah.
body is capable of doing. Now, what makes it bad here, is most of these people, and so
Yeah.
that
That would be tough.
that makes it tough because their family, and you just know them, and so some of the biggest traumatic ones where death was involved, they're hard because the family,
Yeah.
so and you knew them, so but for me, it was interesting because, there was something new all the time. It
Yeah.
was always something different. No two accidents were the same. No two any call was the same. None of them. So, you had your mundane transfers, but calls were always interesting. Always.